Looking for bakeware that combines durability, convenience, and versatility? These mini bakeware pans deliver exactly that with heavy-gauge steel construction that ensures even heating every time. Whether you're baking muffins, tarts, pies, or mini pizzas, these pans help you create perfectly cooked treats with ease. What sets these pans apart is their premium non-stick interior and exterior, making release and cleanup effortless. No more struggling to get your baked goods out or scrubbing stubborn residue off. Plus, the thick rolled edges prevent warping, so your pans keep their shape even after frequent use. And when it's time to clean up, just toss them in the dishwasher. Ultimate convenience for busy kitchens. One enthusiastic user shared how these pans changed their baking routine. They use them to make smaller portions of sweet breads and meatloaves, which freeze well for later. Recipes like blueberry bread, cinnamon bread, and meatloaf come out perfectly and release easily from the pans. Each pan yields 2 healthy servings, making portion control simple and enjoyable. The only wish? Slightly larger sizes to expand baking options. If you're someone who enjoys baking but wants practical, reliable tools that make the process smoother, these mini pans are worth a look. They offer what you get: sturdy construction, easy cleanup, and consistent results that make baking less of a chore and more of a pleasure. Plus, the fun, adorable sizes add charm to every treat you make. Ready to upgrade your bakeware? Try these mini pans when you're ready to enjoy perfectly baked, portion-controlled treats without the hassle. They're dishwasher safe, built to last a lifetime, and designed to make your baking experience better, one small pan at a time.